Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage reduced toner flaking on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, let's select Adjustment and Maintenance and go to Adjust Image Quality. We need to go to Special Processing, and after that, let's scroll for a while until we see the reduced toner flaking. Now here we can enable it, and as you guys can see, when this setting is set to on, the ghosting may occur in the blank areas of the pages being printed. So if it's okay with you, then simply click yes. I've tested it out and it's not that bad, but there's a noticeable difference. So that's what you guys need to keep in mind. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.